Welcome to this new video YouTube. Here I'm going to replace the LED I bought here of an LG refrigerator. As you can see, the LED light is off. So first, with the prying tool, I'm going to take out okay, very small. Sorry, I'm just working with one hand. As we can see here, the replacement piece is more or less like the original one. Yeah, it's exactly the same. Fine. I paid around 34 euros for this piece. I don't know if you can see, if I push here, we can see the LED lighting on. So I'm going to unscrew here and here to take the piece out. Okay, I just unscrewed these two screws here. I don't need to screw the top one or the bottom one. I'm just going to take this here. You can see the wire coming, and so what we see here, this is the new one. I see this is the same thing here. So what I need now is the but it doesn't come out easily, so I'm stopping here. So as I cannot get to the plug here, we see the replacement piece is got this kind of plug. It should be behind this place, but I cannot without forcing too much. So I'm going to dismount this surrounding piece to see if I can get it out easily. Okay, so it was right here behind here. The plug was cut up, but this plastic frame here, I just unscrewed a little bit here and pull up to gently get out this plug that I'm going to unplug to replace the piece. I have also unplugged the fridge from the electricity so I don't get an electricity shock. Okay, so what I did is I unplugged the old piece I got, and the new one I'm passing through it. This hole first. The plug is here. This plug I'm going to plug back here and test. Plug back the refrigerator to see if it works before mounting everything. So I just plug the fridge back, and as you can see, it's not working. It doesn't seem to work. There's always this misfunctioning. I think the problem may come from the motherboard, which in this refrigerator is up here. So if the problem comes from the motherboard, I don't think I can fix that. Motherboard is too expensive. At least I tried.